Hello everyone. Welcome to the Chronicles of Georgia. Ta-da-da.
I wanna know what you listen to when you lay in bed alone. You got this sophistication.
Hello everyone, Miss Red here. Another day, another laag. Today, we are on our way to the Stonehenge of Georgia, much known as the Chronicles of Georgia.
We have our hopes and our dreams, every little thing between. Maybe this can't be.
For days nga naglaag-laag ta, it's actually our first time to ride a taxi going on a certain tourist spot.
I read the note that you gave me through the moonlight in my bedroom.
Fare of riding a taxi is not that makabuslot sa bulsa. It's just 10 Gregorian lari or gel, and that is equivalent to 160 pesos. Now, we are here at the Chronicles of Georgia. This is constructed in 1985, and this striking monument depicts scenes from the 3,000-year history of Georgia and was designed and created by Zurab Chertelli, a Gregorian sculptor who later served as the president at the Russian Academy of Arts.
Far off dreams, far off places. My love, she sits. My love is waiting.
It sits on the outskirts of Tbilisi, and its prominence in the middle of a small wooded area allows it to be seen from afar.
I wanna know what you listen to when you lay in bed alone. You got this sophisticated.
Let's go inside the Chronicles of Georgia. I think this is the story of Jesus.
I hate when we talk through our phones.
The crucifixion.
We have our hopes and our dreams.
Sometimes this is referred as the Gregorian Stonehenge. The Chronicles of Georgia consist of 16 large columns that reach a height of around 114 feet or 35 meters each. So, diba? Imagine unsa siya ka
Every
taas.
little thing between. Maybe this can't be. I read the note that you gave me through the moonlight in my bedroom. Apart to start.
The lower parts portray the life of Jesus and other notable figures throughout the history of Christianity. The higher parts of the pillars contain notable members of royalty and rulers of Georgia. Interestingly, the towers are yet to be fully completed. Intermittently, work still continues on the structure.
I don't usually cry at all, but wow, is it always close, ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was
Next to the memorial lies a small Gregorian Orthodox church. The monument sits atop a small hill and is reached by climbing a large set of steps. Once at the top, the location provides a very fantastic panoramic view of the Tbilisi Sea and the surrounding suburbs. Actually, the monument is not as well visited as some of the city's more known attractions, and often visitors will be able to take in the beauty while having the place to themselves, like what happened to my visit. Ang importante sa atong laag, there is no entrance fee and the site is open at all times.
My perfect date starts in a small cafe. There's hearts everywhere cause it's Valentine's Day. We order up waffles, then share the whole plate. Sit by the window and start to debate. There's nobody else I'd rather spend my everyday with. I think it's sweet, she sometimes winks when she laughs. I like the way she dances barefoot in the grass. Yeah, we get along alright, cause I've been dating me my whole life.
I am floating in a capsule high above the universe, and I think that I'd rather be floating here with you. My journey's seen 2 years. Sometimes I think my trip will see 2 more, but it gets quite lonely in my bubble, and I don't wanna cause no trouble, but I miss you. I'm lost in the universe, 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 I'm lost in the universe.